How to delete your Craigslist account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can delete your Craigslist account. This is a very simple and easy process, so do follow along. Step 1 is to open up any web browser and head over to craigslist.com. Once you're on this website, you want to make sure to sign into your account by entering all of your credentials. After that, you want to click on the account option over here. Once you click on this, it will take you to another page. Here you have different options. Click on the one that says settings. Now, at the bottom, you have deactivate this account option. If you are sure to deactivate your account, go ahead and click on the deactivate your account option. As soon as you do that, your account will be successfully deleted or deactivated. Now, you can simply log into your another account or create a new one by entering your email address over here and clicking on the create account option. And with these simple steps, you have successfully deleted your Craigslist account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.